Hello and welcome back. Now I have make some few changes in welcome.txt or tsx so that when we have the onboarding page, we don't show the back button, but we use the universal scrolls that comes with the with the platform. This one with this platform over where it is over here, this platform here, so that we don't have to 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 to, to ground the site with a lot of buttons. So that is one button doing everything, and therefore, as this one, you there is nothing new here, and conditionally import the correct swiper from web and native. Nothing new here because this is letting you swiper is having the any, that means data type. Then we have if this web, it require web swiper, and if it is swiper whereas it is Android, it require native swiper. Then that is nothing new, we already done that.